Can a variable number of arguments be passed to a function? In a similar way to using varargs in C or C++.
Yes. You can use args as a non-keyword argument. You will then be able to pass any number of arguments. As you can see, Python will unpack the arguments as a single tuple with all the arguments. For keyword arguments you need to accept those as a separate actual argument, as shown in Skermedel's answer.
Adding to Unwind's post. You can send multiple key value args too. And you can mix the two. They must be both declared and called in that order, that is, the function signature needs to be args, quargs, and called in that order.
If I may, Skermedel's code is for Python 2. To adapt it to Python 3, change iteritems to items and add parentheses to print. That could prevent beginners like me to bump into. Attribute column dict object has no attribute iteritems and search elsewhere. For example, errordict object has no attribute iteritems when trying to use network hexes write_shp. Why this is happening. And
adding to the other excellent posts. Sometimes you don't want to specify the number of arguments and want to use keys for them. The compiler will complain if one argument passed in a dictionary is not used in the method. Then you can do things like